Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look using the Jeffree Star Alien Collection. I have the Alien Palette, I have a couple of the lipsticks, and then a few of the liquid lipsticks, and I'm not sure what I'm doing yet today. I do know that I want it kind of like pinky purple. I did pull out all of the liquid lipsticks in the collection that were all that kind of pinky purplish nude color, and then also the two lipsticks. I don't think I announced on my channel that I got the lipsticks, but I did end up getting all four of the Jeffree Star lipsticks in this collection. So if you are new to my channel, my name is London. I do videos just like this one every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So please subscribe if you like this video. Let's get into this. First off, I do know that I want to take Titan and Gravity and put that on my brow bone and into my crease to kind of set the tone for everything, see what I want to do. So I'm first going to take Titan on my brow bone and on my brow, I guess. Now I'm just going to take Gravity and just place this in my crease so I have a general layout of kind of what I want to do. I have a rough draft of what I want to do in my head, but I never follow through with that. But Valentine's Day is right around the corner. I had so much fun with the couple looks that I did. I don't really use a lot of pink in my makeup, so this was really fun to kind of challenge myself. I'm kind of thinking that I want to do more of like a cut crease kind of situation. Not really sure, but I'm gonna take area 51, which I have this upside down, but it is a purple one right there, and I'm going to put this kind of in the lower half of my eyelid. I'll show you. So I'm just picking it up and I want to build it up right underneath Gravity on that outer corner there. So I got that in the outer corner, kind of messily, don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna take Space Cowboy, which is the one right next to it right there. I'm gonna put this on the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm gonna use it wet. I haven't put makeup on in a couple of days, and this feels kind of strange. So now for the fun part. I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipsticks and kind of make some artwork with it. I think I'm going to go with the more nudie liquid lipsticks on the top of my eye and the more pinky liquid lipsticks on the bottom. So I'm going to first take the liquid lipstick in Hi, How Are Ya? And I'm just going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand. You can see that color of it, it's amazing. And I'm gonna just pick up a little bit and do the front half of a winged eyeliner with it. Then I'm gonna take Jeffree Who, which is a little bit of like a rosewood kind of color. So there's the one I just put on my eye, and there's the other one. Just gonna wipe off that brush and kind of follow up the line here. So kind of blending it in with that other one and slowly starting the wing. And I'm gonna take a Murphy brush, bring it out a bit. It's okay if it looks crazy, I promise. So now for the more stressful part, I'm gonna put those two aside, and I'm gonna take Scandal, which is a little bit more of a purple color, which is that one on the edge there. with a liner brush, and I'm gonna follow the crease and meet it up with the wing. I know this looks super weird. This is actually a really good liner brush. Like, I'm having zero troubles with this whatsoever. Pretty impressed. And now for the last liquid lipstick, this in Can't Relate, which is a nudie peach kind of color. There's all of them, and that one at the end there. I'm gonna follow the rest of the line. So, oh, the eyeshadow is kind of mixing in with it. Alright, so this is how everything is looking. Now I'm gonna take a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go back in with Area 51 and just re-intensify that color a little bit more. And now I'm gonna take Pluto, which is the lightest gold color. I'm just gonna pop that right there, like a bulb. I like how this looks so far. And then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and Area 51 and just go, and I'm gonna start building this up and smoking it out. With another brush, I'm gonna take Phone Home and lightly blend out Area 51 underneath my lash line. We're going to bronze with the Sephora Collection contour palette, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here to contour with. I know I'm pale, I'm sorry. For blush and highlight, I haven't put this on my face yet, and it's not part of the Alien collection, but it's the highlighter in Regina George, and I really want to just 80-fy my face. I mean, this, if you watched my unboxing video, when I went to try and swatch this, it had like that kind of build up on the top where it's kind of hard to get the product off of the brush or your finger, so I just never really used it because it's so hard to get it off. I'm like afraid of it, but it seems to be blending pretty nicely. Carry it up into the temple. Woo. Also, Fenty is dropping some stuff tomorrow on the 12th. What do y'all think of it? It's the pictures are on Trend Mood, but it's, I think, 3 of the Stunna lip paints and 2 highlighters, but I was looking it up, and so one of the highlighters for the collection, or I guess it's a collection that comes out tomorrow, is Chills, which is this one right here. So if I were to get it, I would not get one of the highlighters, but the other highlighter is a pink one, and there's like a purple, there's a couple different lipsticks. So I'm wondering if you guys would want to see a video on those. Let me know. And on top of this, I'm gonna take the Frozen Peach Supreme Frost. Got that in my mystery box for Black Friday. We're gonna be so highlighted today. Woo! A little bit on my nose, forehead. Alright, I am going to do mascara and my eyebrows, and we'll be back for the lipstick. I am so digging the way that this looks, especially on this outer corner here where the purple and the liquid lipsticks meet. I think that looks so cool. But let's finish it off with some lipsticks. So I have Beam Me Up and Alien Tears. First gonna take Beam Me Up, and then in the center I'm gonna take Alien Tears. They're really metallic, but they're super pretty. So this is Beam Me Up and this is Alien Tears. They're so pretty, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also give it a thumbs up if you like the Jeffree Star Alien Palette. I freaking love it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys on Wednesday and have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.